excited to announce the launch of my own balloon Garland kit brand, and I am doing this in celebration for my 31st birthday. That's in 2 days. So I am just gonna explain about my kits, what they come with, and more details about that. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is my Garland kit packaging. They're all in these bags, clear for you to be able to see everything that's inside. This one specifically is a luau themed, like tropical birthday, baby shower, whatever you want to use it for, kit. So if, like I said, you're having similar theme colors, this would be perfect for you. These are all going to be sold exclusively on my website, ladyleiaevents.com, and I will list that down below. So yes, I'm really hoping these sell and they make your party stand out and more fun. Also, if you're more of the do-it-yourself person, instead of hiring someone to do your decorating, you are in the right place. So stay tuned. I'm going to be opening this and showing you everything it comes with. Okay, hi everyone. So I have emptied my kit onto my table. It's always nice to work on a flat surface. I normally always use the ground, but for the video, it came on the table. So each kit comes with a variety of sizes of balloons. So first, it would come with like a normal size 12-inch balloon. This is like your typical size you would get in the store if you got some at Party City or whatever. And there's different colors of each size. So that's the first size. The second size is 5-inch. So each kit will also have this size, and these are really nice to make your balloon garland a little more in-depth and texturized. So these are always good to have. And also these large 18-inch balloons, these are super nice for texture and kind of just to make your balloon garland pop more. So 12-inch, again, this is for creating your base balloon garland. So you start creating a garland with 12-inch balloons. You can, once you get more experience, you can definitely start doing different ways, but I've always started with 12-inch and then add in your 18-inch and your 5-inch. So those are the balloons. It also comes with this fun metallic color, kind of makes it more unique and fun. And then also, so that was the balloons. This is the materials it comes with to actually create your garland. So this is some balloon string or ribbon. This is for actually sticking your balloons together. These are called glue dots, and these can be kind of difficult to use if you're brand new to these. I definitely in the beginning did not know how to use these properly, so I'll definitely be explaining those in another video. And also it comes with this balloon strip. It's kind of this super long balloon strip with little slit holes that you blow up each individual balloon and insert the very end, the part you tie, into the slits. I find this not useful at all. It doesn't make your garland look nice, or, I mean, in my words, I would say professional, but it kind of makes your balloons spaced apart and not a full look. So I will definitely show you above what a garland looks like on a strip, and then a garland looks like using balloon string above. So you could kind of tell the difference. So also this kit comes with palm leaves. These are super fun to add into your garlands just to make it a little more festive. And you would absolutely attach these to the balloons with glue dots. So that's people might be wondering, like, how do you even put these on balloons? But yeah, use your glue dots. So these come in handy for everything. I've accumulated probably over 1,000 of these just because they come in each kit, and they're useful. You can use them for hanging pictures on the wall if you wanted to, and they're easy to remove off the walls and other surfaces. So that is all that comes in this kit. It also comes with, I should have said this in the beginning, it comes with a thank you card. Thank you for purchasing, and a little note, and then also my @s for social media, and then also if you end up purchasing, if you can write a review. Super helpful for future purchases for other people. Also, each kit is different, so just because this kit comes with this, another kit could come with different materials that you may need for that certain kit. So just FYI, not all the kits come exactly the same, and it's always nice to keep your leftover materials. If you have leftover balloon string, keep it for your next garland you make. If you have extra of these, keep them. These strips, the plastic balloon strips I was explaining to you, I normally just recycle them because I never use them, but if you feel like you might use it in the future, keep it. Also for the bag, I wanted to create a bag that was reusable. So this is a nice Ziploc bag, super nicely sealed, and you can wash it, you can use it for any other things, extra balloons, pack your lunch in it, whatever, something. And also, I will say, when you dispose of your balloons, say you're done with the party, nobody wants to keep the balloon garland, just pop them. I always recycle them just because I feel like throwing them in the garbage might be a little, wasteful, I guess. But I should definitely do some research and tell you exactly how to dispose of them, but that's what I do. So yes, this is all that comes in my balloon kit, and I will be showing you future tips and tricks on how to enhance your balloon garlands, how to create your balloon garlands, and I will also be doing like installations so you can see exactly how I install a balloon garland somewhere. So yeah, stay tuned, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram. Check out my website for all my balloon garlands and special kits that will be coming soon. Thank you.